So here I have 3 rows, and I'm just gotta sew them together. So I'm gonna pin. So you can see that right here and right here, these meet up. So what I will do, I call it poke a pin. I just made that up like 10 years ago. I put the pin right where, can you zoom a tiny bit? I'll move all this mess out of my way. Thanks. So I put that pin right in the intersection where the point is. So exactly where the point is, push it in. I find the point on the next one and I push it in. So it's exactly in the pin. Now, you want your pin to stand up like that. Hold it in place and pin. You can pin twice or once. I'm going to pin my entire row. We're going to hope it meets, and if it doesn't, we will pick it out and do it again. So again, in the point, and you want to have thin pins when you do this, because if you do it with thick pins, you're going to start pulling out seams.